What's up, guys? It's your boy Doc Fever here, and today I got something a little unusual for my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a 2020 iPad Pro 12.9 inch. I literally just received the package, like probably like 5-10 minutes ago. Brought it to my room, and I'm ready to get in here. So I already cut both sides. So I'm just gonna rip it here. We're gonna pull it out. See what we get inside. As you can see, not a whole lot in here. Just a box with the iPad in it. And let's pull it out. And that's some info from Verizon. I did get this from Verizon. But yeah, to be honest, I had the 12, not 12, but the 11-inch 2018 iPad Pro. And honestly, just by looking from the box, it doesn't look like it's really any bigger to me, honestly. Like when I saw that box, I was like, hold up, did I get the right iPad, you know? Did they ship me the 11-inch? But no, as you can see right here, it is the 12.9. This is the 4th gen, 256 gigabyte, Wi-Fi plus cellular. Like I said, I did get this from Verizon, so it is activated, or at least it should be activated. And yeah, so this is the 12.9 2020. Um, so let's get in here. Let's open it up. I don't know if you can hear it, but I don't even know if the camera's gonna, the mics is gonna pick it up on this phone. I don't know why, but that sound is always so satisfying when you get a new piece of tech and you pull the plastic off. Wrapping is it's always so satisfying. But yeah, let's dig in here. I am recording this on a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Should be recording in 4K for you guys, so hopefully the quality will look decent for y'all. But yeah, let's pull the cover off. And there she is. Honestly though, this looks just like the 11-inch to me. It doesn't really look all that big. Oh, here's the little tab, so we're gonna pull it out. Let's see how it weighs in my hand. As you can see, there's my hand, and there's the iPad itself. Yeah, it's pretty big, but my eyes keep, I don't know why, it just keeps telling me this doesn't look like a 12.9. But like here it is, as you can see, it is the newer iPad. It's got the 2 cameras on the back. And yeah. So there's the iPad. Let's see what else we get in the box. We get your usual books and stuff, or manuals and all that good stuff. I'm sure there's Apple stickers in there as always. And you get your power brick. Let's see here. I'm trying to see how many watts is it. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna have to look that up later. And you get your USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's pretty much it. That's all you get in the box. So here's the iPad itself. Let's pull this plastic off here. See if the mics will pick it up. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. There we go. Bye bye plastic. And there she be. Nice and shiny, smooth. I forgot to say what color I got. I'm sure you already saw there. But this is the, what do you call it, the silver color. I was gonna do the space gray one, which is the more darker kind of black looking one. But they didn't have it. They were like all back ordered except for the silver one for like the 256 gigabyte. The other ones were all back ordered for some reason. So I was like, I don't care too much about the color. I just want it now in my hands, you know what I'm saying? So I just went with the silver since that's what it was available. So let's power it on, see if it has any juice. And usually, pretty much all Apple products that I ever gotten, they always have a little bit of battery on them as soon as I get them. So let's go power up, see how long it takes. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see off this iPad Pro, this new iPad Pro. I do plan to get the new Magic Keyboard at some point when it comes out, which is probably like another week or two. I forgot the exact date, but it's almost soon that it'll come out. But I do plan to get that for this iPad, and I do plan to do some video editing on this iPad Pro for my channel. Which, speaking of that, this whole video, this unboxing, quick little unboxing for you, will be edited on this iPad Pro using Lumafusion. I already have the app, I just need to re-download it. Like I said, I had the 2018 11-inch iPad Pro, so that's gonna be my editing app for you guys. But yeah, well, let's see here. I guess I can run through the setup process for you guys. So we're gonna do English, United States, quick start, bring your current iPhone or iPad. I don't have an iPhone at the moment. I did at some point. And so we're just gonna do setup manually. We're going through our Wi-Fi, so let me do this, put in my info real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So I put in my Wi-Fi info, so now it says here, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. And yeah, so you know how I kept saying this looks like the 11-inch? I guess further looking at it, at like the screen itself, it definitely does feel bigger now. And honestly, it's perfect. I thought it was going to be just a smidge too big, but I'm honestly glad I got the 12.9 inch instead of the 11 inch again, because when I first got the 11 inch, I originally thought to myself, you know, this is not as big as I thought it would have been. You know what I'm saying? Like, 11 inch sounds kind of like quite a bit, but then when I saw it, I was like, I always had this little mindset in the back of my head that I wish it was a little bit bigger. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so it's asking me to do the Face ID, so I'm gonna do that. What's up, guys? So we are back. So I just put in my Face ID in there. So now I already put in my iCloud info in there as well. So now it's asking me to do, if I want to do a restore from a backup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the last time I had the iPad Pro was back in October 2019. So I'm gonna click on that. Settings from your backup, that's fine. Continue. And let's see how long this would take. Oh, as you can see, a little status icon there. I didn't see that. I thought it just froze on me for a second. I was like, hold up. It's not good. But yeah. Like I said before, let me know what you guys want to see off this iPad. Now it's asking me to set up Apple Pay. I'll do that later. Don't need to do that right now. Siri. Sure, we're gonna go ahead and do that while we're here and get that over with. So now it's asking me to. Okay. So there you go, guys. We got that set up. Uh, good thing I thought about it just now. That I am gonna mute that part of the video so your phones and stuff won't be going all crazy on y'all. And there you go. Improve Siri and dictation. No, we're not gonna do that. App analytics. Sure. That's fine. And again, it's doing its thing. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys want to see. Like I said, I mostly do plan on using the iPad Pro for media consumption, so Netflix, YouTube, all that good jazz, and some video editing. I do plan to use this as a secondary screen for my computer as well. So, because I do a little bit of live streaming here and there, so this is going to be useful for me. So when I'm using this as a secondary display for my computer, I'll be able to have my chat window open for Twitch and Facebook. I do stream on my Facebook channel as well. So now it's doing its restore from iCloud. But yeah, though, it's going to be very helpful for me. That's why, part of the reason why I went with the bigger 12.9 inch is because of the video editing that I will be doing on it, and because I will be using this as a secondary screen. So that's part of the reason why I got this over the 11 inch again. But yeah, this is going to take a little while, guys, and I'll see you guys in a little bit again. So while that's doing its thing, let's see what else we get here in our little book here. I know nothing that exciting, but while that's doing that, we'll just go ahead and take a quick look. As you can see, we get our usual Apple stickers, nice and crisp. And again, we get your manuals here, telling you how to set it up and all that good jazz. How to set up Face ID, tips, and all that. You get your, I guess, warranty info and all that good stuff. Now, like I said, I do have the cellular version, so it's gonna give me the little SIM eject tool that not everyone's gonna get when they get their iPad Pro, unless you get the cellular version. So, yeah, that's all you get in there. Oh, it looks like it's already doing its thing here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this and fast forward for you guys. Hey guys, so we are back. So the iPad just finished restoring from the iCloud backup, so now I'm gonna go ahead and dive in real quick once this thing unlocks for me. There we go. Use the Face ID, and there you are. Here's the 2020 12.9 inch iPad. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Going to settings, we're gonna go to about, and as you can see, once my camera focus, it is already on version iOS 13.4, or excuse me, iPad OS. And then, yeah, there you go. That's pretty much it. Let's see here. Verizon again, 256 gigabyte, and available 236 gigabytes. So that's because it's already downloaded some apps and stuff from my backup. So yeah. So I'm sure you, out of the box you get a little bit more space available. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I've been saying, if you have anything you guys want to see, just let me know. Otherwise, thank you for stopping by and checking out the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Please give this video a like if you liked it. Go ahead and feel free to subscribe. And let me know what you guys think of this new iPad. Would you guys get a 2020 iPad Pro? Or would you get the 12.9-inch or the 11-inch? Or would you go with one of the iPads? Or even the MacBook Air or MacBook Pro? Because like once you get this with the Magic Keyboard, you're kind of almost looking at the MacBook Pro, MacBook Air kind of territory at this point. But I could have done with that, but I kind of wanted that. I wanted the iPad more because it's more portable, more versatile. I can take this anywhere. I can just, use it as an iPad, just as a nice big screen, and just, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Versus having a pretty much a laptop and you always have to have the keyboard and everything with you. With this, I can just have the iPad itself and I'm good to go. But yeah, that's part of the reason why I went with this instead of like a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think of the new iPad, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.